Hi, I'm Vicky Kirkley, and I'm running for Student State Board. I am part of Troop 7052 at McKinney Boyd High School. I am 11 years old, and I am in the grade, and my troop director is Chewy Morin. Some extracurricular things I'm a part of is Vicky Kirkley, as well as some troop positions that I've been in are
broomstick handle, fishing rod handle, umbrella handle, toothbrush handle.
Some ideas that I can bring to the student lesbian officers is a sense of
Stop! You violated the law!
Thank you for watching.
Stiff cock.